We just arrived. 3 a.m. Pavilion Hotel.
Thank you.
Hello, good evening, good morning, wherever you are. Welcome back to my channel. We are here at the Pavilion Mall. It's 3 o'clock in the morning and I thought I'll give you a quick tour before we mess everything up. First, you enter the room. This is the entrance. Okay, and then the toilet. First, bath.
And then we have the tissue box over here, water, normal lotion, soap, compliment. Sanitary shower cap, nail file, cotton buds, toothbrush, and paste. It's the same. We have a huge bath. Look at that. It's big. And the shower is here. Oh, shower is here, just here. So as soon as you enter, it's actually the shower. I didn't realize that. Wow. The bed. Bed looks comfy. Eating already. We have fruit platter. This is only Mr. Dollhouse. Where's the Mrs.? Mrs. Wow, they have the orchid. So beautiful. We have chocolates. White sesame, caramel, coconut, cappuccino, green tea, yuzu, nougat. So these chocolates are homemade, made by Chef Fodder. Okay. Oh, this blue looks really nice. This is coconut. Try the coconut. I know it's early morning, but because it has gold in it, see that? Sarap. Taste that coconut. Super sleepy. We'll sleep first. Good night. See you tomorrow.
My no makeup look. I forgot my foundation, but I think it's okay. Turned out well. I didn't want to cover my pimples because they are still a little bit fresh. Anyway, I'll be wearing mask, so it should be okay. Not much makeup, no mascara. I like to leave it like that because otherwise it will be a bit heavy. Like, I'll go and change now. to the mall.
No, we go to Pavilion.
Oh, we're going for breakfast. We are going to Banyan Tree for breakfast. We found the bridge to Banyan Tree. So this is where we live at the moment. Pavilion Hotel, and this is over here is Banyan Tree. Right? And we are currently in the bridge connecting both buildings. So hungry.
So they have traditional, they have salad, and then bakery pizza with there also. Then they have hot milkshake, coffee, tea.